go that next step and take some action. We need this generation to step in and address some of these significant problems. Today is the 2026 Student Environmental Alliance Summit at Bladensburg Waterfront Park. This is day 2 of our summit, and what is exciting about today is we've got kids outside on a beautiful day.
I learned more ways to connect with nature and more ways to explore it. This experience was honestly great. I learned a lot of new things. I also learned how to throw a fishing rod. What I want everyone to take from this day is to apply this knowledge into the real world and make a change into this world, because we have a lot going on, and all the stuff that we learned here today will help us and make our world a better place.
I want the students to walk away from here feeling that nature is a safe place. It's a place for them to come out and enjoy. Not only is it a place for recreation, but it's also a place for conservation.